In this video, I will show you how to set up a call parking with VoIP.ms. Once fully set up, this feature will allow you to put your current call on hold so you or anybody else can pick up the call from elsewhere. To get started, log in to the customer portal. You will first need to configure the feature. Then, depending on your use case, you will need to enable it on your main account, sub-account, or both. Head over to the DID numbers menu and click on Call Parking. Then click on the Add a Call Parking Lot. You will now see different options to configure the behavior of your call park. First, give it a name for reference purposes, for instance, sales. Next, the language that the system will use to communicate with you whenever you park a call. I will leave it to English. Music on hold is what the parked user will hear while holding. You can set it to one of VoIP.ms's selected music, or you can upload your own. I will select a previously uploaded music that I have done specifically for this option. For more information on uploading your own music on hold, check out the description box below. Timeout is how long the call will remain in the parking lot until it fails over. I will leave it as is. Delay is for how long the system will wait before announcing where your call is parked once the call has been answered. I want the message to be immediate after answering, so I will leave it at a 0-second delay. Announce destination is basically who will be receiving calls from the system to advise where the call is currently parked. Parker, which is the default option, will send the notification call to the user that initiated a park. Otherwise, you can also set a specific sub-account to receive these notification calls. I will also leave this option to Parker. Failover destination is in case the parked call would reach the time limit set under the option Timeout. You can either have the system call back, hang up the call, or have the user reach a specific voicemail. For the purpose of the video, I will set it to voicemail and failover to my sales mailbox. Now that all the options for your call parking have been set, you can proceed to save it. Next step is to assign this feature to your main account or respective sub-accounts. First, if you wish to set this feature on your main account, head into Main Menu, Account Settings, and then into General tab. Head down the page and you will see the option Parking Lot. Set it to your newly made entry and save your change. If you use a sub-account to register your device and wish to set call parking on it, head into Sub-Accounts menu, Manage Sub-Accounts, edit your sub-account, and by slightly scrolling down the page, you will see the option Parking Lot. Set it to your newly created entry and apply the change by pressing Update Account down the page. For more information on creating a sub-account, please check out the description box below. And this is how you can set up a call parking with VoIP.ms. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks!